so misery, it's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history, yeah.
Hello YouTube! So we are on the way to the track. I'm in Coimbatore and we are going for a little event by MRF, and what exactly it is, it's going to be a surprise which I'll be announcing in the later part of the video. So we have Shruti and Varun Bhai. They're part of the organizing team. So I think the track is like 25 kilometers from here. It's a bit rainy. So we just made it to Kari Motor Speedway. We're just getting the safety briefing and all. Everyone's here. Augie is here, Vikas is here, and RWR is also here. And we'll see how it's gonna be. It's been a rainy day since yesterday. It's not raining now, but the track is still wet. So Augie is hiding from the camera. So Augie is doing his thing. What is that? DJI.
I'm not sponsored by DJI.
So, before we start the program, I want to know how you are feeling.
Great.
Yes?
Awesome. Charged up.
Very nice boy.
So we're just gonna be taking a lap of the track.
I'm here with the main man Zohair.
Name man Zohair. And I am with Augie F.
kilometers.
And it's a 2.2 kilometer track with 8 deadly corners. The trainer's already fallen once, so we'll just be taking a quick walk around and he'll be briefing us on what to do, what are the limitations of the track and all. We'll be probably getting down on R15s. It's my first time at the track, so it's fine. Arre re re mat. That is the
signature dialogue.
Kafan mein dafan hai track.
You know my name, no?
बहुत डाल देना है ट्रैक पे. Z Clown. I think we're getting R15s today. This is the new Masseter tire we're talking about. It's pretty soft compound. So my helmet's ready, jacket, everything. Vikas ready, Augie's ready. Me, Vikas and Augie are going in together. Say hello to the camera. Hello! The first lot is out. We'll be going second because I want a drier track. Most importantly, a big shout out to MRF, Masseter Tires by MRF. They're the ones who organized this so that we can test the potential of these new tires. I've just poked a finger in them and they're very soft, so that's all I know. And as this is my first time on the track, let's see how much confidence inspiring these tires are. Baigan. Chal ho gaya. Hello YouTube. So finally on the track, getting onto the R15. I don't know how it's gonna be a 150cc on the track, but that's okay. It's my first time, so I got this new Rhinox jacket. Let's get onto the ball. We can have one camera mounted on the ass. So me, Vikas and Augie are together and there are two other guys. So let's see. This is like the warming up lap. You have to tailgate that R15, that RC390 over there. Boss, do you see a red light on the camera? Red light आ रहा है ना? चलो good. Yeah, good, good. My helmet was loose. I just hope I don't crash. These tire skid marks and all are not at all motivating. This guy said this would be like a lap wherein they show everyone how to go about, but they're like going so fucking fast, man. Yep. Someone once told me that track riding is tiring. Starting to think that it is. You have to concentrate all the time. Even talking is like a risk here. Yes, catching up to them. Thank God I'm on an R15. Now coming to this track first time on a 390 or a 600 would be too much of an overkill. As you all know, it's the first time I'm riding on a track. रोडों पे नफीस कटा मारने की बात नहीं आती लेकिन lol. Apparently that's the most dangerous. That's like the Bermuda corner, that's what they call it, of the racetrack. Apparently it's where most of the pros take a fall as well. I'm no pro, but I just hope I don't take a fall. This guy is showing us around the track. He's a MRF's chief test rider or something. He's just showing us where the race lines are, what we should follow and all that. So riding extra careful, boys, because street पे अलग है, track पे अलग है. He's instructed me to stick to his ass. Look at the Bermuda corner, taking it rather well. The track is a bit patchy, so his tires are really good, man, actually. Still don't want to push it because still first time. Woo! This is actually fun! It's 150, but it's fun, man. There's water at places, so I'm being extra careful. This is fun. और ये ज़हर भाई आए एक कॉर्नर पे और ये राइट और ये लेफ्ट और ये मौत. अभी इधर एक कॉर्नर आ रहा और ये हमारे गेट डाउन और ये झुकाए नी और ये लिए कॉर्नर और ये लिए दूसरा कॉर्नर. क्या बात है? The guy said that it's not a race, so we're all chilled out. It's mine and Augie's first time at the track. Five laps done and dusted. Easier than I thought. Welcome back. पीछे क्यों हो गए आप?
एक लैप सामने था.
That's what. Done with 5 laps. stop for a while and then. First of all, a big shout out to MRF. They're the ones who are organizing this whole event. We just finished with the first 5 laps. We'll be going in again. This third round is gonna go, and after the 3 rounds, like everyone's got a chance, and then the first round repeats. We have the track to ourselves. We can do whatever we want. So guess who we have here with us? You've seen him somewhere. I want you to write down in the comments below that where you've seen him. Okay?
You'll get a variety of comments.
गौर से देखिए इस प्राणी को. So we have come to this vantage point at the track where we can have a good view around the track, and Vikas bhai is planning to fly his Phantom. Let the games begin. शुरू हो जाए शुरू.
Aircraft coming up. That's right, it says aircraft coming up.
This is like the longest straight of the track, and we are at this beautiful vantage point where we can get a good view around the track. Augie bhai is playing Candy Crush. Vikas bhai is flying the drone.
Let's see what goes faster, drone or bike. Really, I'm gonna race along with them.
I'm trying to get your drone in focus. So now the super zoom works crazy. I got all the leathers on and I was getting onto the track, but as you can see it's raining pretty hard, so we had to stop. Augie is photobombing or video bombing me. He's doing his dance because it's packing everything. So we're gonna go have lunch, wait it out and see. So getting onto the track again. Augie was on this bike, now I'm going, his camera is attached. Mr. Majumdar, the track king, is also with me. I'm not track king, so I'm gonna be going very slow. Stand!
Stand! Mike, who's got the mic? Stop him.
Oh shit. Bye! Bye! Fuck, I need those. Fuck. It's raining. No problem. It's just getting ready with the knee pads and all. Start raining pretty heavily. I think we'll have to stop.
Why now?
Feel jealous for you now. Bad luck. So we're just gonna wait it out. If the rain subsides, I'm gonna be getting on the green thing again and going, but I don't think it's gonna subside. There's lots of clouds everywhere. Shit. So unfortunately, me and couple others didn't get a chance to go around the track. It's raining a lot. As you can see, we were standing for some photo shoots and some unveiling of the tire, and we just removed the board, and it's Massetia by MRF. So I'd say excellent tire. If you are a newcomer to track riding and all, I think you should go with that tire, and once it hits the market, we're gonna see how it is. But first impressions, excellent effort by MRF. So that's about it, guys. We'll be going to the hotel from here, and tomorrow morning I have a flight back to Hyderabad. So hope you guys enjoyed. Couldn't get much footage on the track as I couldn't go for the second run, and I couldn't talk much as well because it was my first time at the track, so I had to concentrate on the ride. So as I didn't get the chance to go on the track again due to wet conditions, this is the tire and this is the thread pattern. You can have a look at it. I'm no cornering expert, but yeah, it inspires a lot of confidence. It's called Massetia by MRF, and by the time you're watching this video, the tire is probably launched. The pricing and longevity and all we don't know yet, but what I can say is, as you can see, it's a very soft compound tire, and even the sizes and all I haven't yet found out. I'll put them in the description below, but from what my little experience was on the bike, I'd say it's an excellent tire for beginner track riders. See you guys, we're just packing up. Bye bye.